Welcome back to Polar Quiz.
Today, we are diving into the world of mind-blowing mysteries, shocking conspiracy theories, and fascinating science facts. From unsolved historical events to strange space discoveries, get ready for a quiz that will challenge everything you thought you knew. In this video, you'll face 50 thrilling questions about the unknown. Do you have what it takes to score 100%? Only true knowledge seekers can crack this quiz. Stay sharp, think fast, and let's begin. What is the only letter not appearing in any U.S. state name? The correct answer is Q. No U.S. state name includes the letter Q, making it unique among all 50 states. What is the name of the mysterious deep-sea creature nicknamed the Black Demon of the Deep? Believe it or not, it's Megalodon. Some claim that the prehistoric Megalodon still lurks in the ocean, though there's no scientific proof. What is the rarest blood type in the world? Did you know? The answer is Rh-null. Rh-null is the rarest blood type, with fewer than 50 known cases worldwide. What is the famous bloop sound recorded in the ocean believed to be? That's right. It's an iceberg breaking. Scientists determined that the bloop was likely caused by icequakes rather than an unknown sea creature. Which mountain remains the tallest in the world, even considering sea level? The answer you're looking for is Mauna Kea. Mauna Kea is the tallest when measured from its base on the ocean floor to its peak. Which famous event do conspiracy theorists believe was faked in 1969? No doubt about it, it's the moon landing. Some theorists believe the Apollo 11 moon landing was staged, though overwhelming evidence confirms its authenticity. What is the name of the secretive U.S. government facility, often linked to UFO research? Mystery solved. The answer is Area 51. Area 51 in Nevada is rumored to house extraterrestrial technology, though the government claims it's a military testing site. The theory that the Earth is hollow and contains advanced civilizations inside is called a fascinating theory. It's the hollow Earth theory. This theory suggests a hidden world beneath the Earth's surface, but no scientific proof supports. What is the largest known structure in the universe? If you guessed this, you're right. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. This galactic superstructure is 10 billion light-years across, and challenges our understanding of the cosmos. What mysterious force is causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate? Science says it's dark energy. Dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe and is responsible for its rapid expansion. What organ can regenerate itself completely? The answer is liver. The liver is the only human organ capable of regenerating, even if 75% of it is removed. What part of the human body never stops growing? Surprising but true, nose and ears. Unlike bones, cartilage, found in the nose and ears, continues to grow throughout life. What rare animal is known as the unicorn of the sea? An unusual creature indeed, narwhal. Narwhals have a long, spiral tusk that resembles a unicorn's horn. Which civilization mysteriously disappeared from Central America? Ancient civilization alert. The Mayans. The decline of the Maya civilization remains a mystery, with theories including drought, war, and overpopulation. Which movie is the highest-grossing film of all time, adjusted for inflation? A classic. The correct answer is Gone with the Wind. When adjusted for inflation, Gone with the Wind is the highest-grossing movie ever. What happened to the missing colony of Roanoke? A real mystery. The answer is, they vanished without a trace. The only clue left behind was the word croton carved into a tree. Who invented the first smartphone? Tech lovers, this one's for you, IBM. IBM created the first smartphone, Simon, in 1992, though it was very different from today's smartphones. What year was the World Wide Web invented? A memorable year. It's 1989. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989, changing how we access information. What is the only man-made structure visible from space? Simply put, the answer is none. Contrary to popular belief, no man-made structure is clearly visible to the naked eye from space. What natural phenomenon is also called Earth's heartbeat? An interesting phenomenon, Schumann resonances. These are low-frequency electromagnetic waves that resonate in the Earth's atmosphere. Which famous ship disaster is believed by some to be an insurance fraud scheme? The tragic tale we all know, Titanic. Some believe the Titanic was switched with its damaged sister ship, the Olympic, for insurance fraud. The Mandela effect is the false memory phenomenon named after which famous figure? A name everyone recognizes, Nelson Mandela. Many people falsely remember Mandela dying in prison in the 1980s, even though he passed away in 2013. What is the coldest place in the universe ever recorded? A cosmic wonder, the Boomerang Nebula. It has a temperature of minus 457.7 degrees Fahrenheit minus 272 degrees Celsius, just slightly warmer than absolute zero. What is the largest volcano in our solar system? On top of the tallest volcano? Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons on Mars is the tallest volcano, about 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest. What is the strongest muscle in the human body based on weight? The strongest muscle? Jaw masseter. The masseter muscle can exert a bite force of over 200 pounds. What part of the body contains the most bones? You stand on them every day. Feet. The feet have 26 bones each, making up about 25% of all bones in the body. What animal can survive in space without protection? A microscopic marvel, tardigrade. Also called water bears, tardigrades can endure extreme temperatures and the vacuum of space. What fish is known as the living fossil? because it has remained unchanged for millions of years. A living fossil? The answer is coelacanth. Thought to be extinct for 66 million years, it was rediscovered in 1938. The lost city of Atlantis is believed to be inspired by which real location? A breathtaking island, Santorini. Some historians link Atlantis to the volcanic eruption that destroyed the Minoan civilization on Santorini. What ancient structure aligns perfectly with celestial bodies? A prehistoric masterpiece, Stonehenge. Stonehenge aligns with the summer and winter solstices, indicating an advanced understanding of astronomy. Which movie won the most Oscars in history? An epic fantasy tale, The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. It won 11 Academy Awards, tying with Titanic and Ben-Hur for the most wins. What is the longest-running TV series of all time? A legendary sci-fi show, Doctor Who. First aired in 1963, Doctor Who holds the record for the longest-running sci-fi TV series. The identity of which historical serial killer remains unknown? Can't decide? The answer is both. Both cases remain unsolved, with numerous theories, but no definitive proof of their identities. What is the mystery behind the Voynich manuscript? Lost in translation. It is written in an unknown language. The book contains an undeciphered script and bizarre botanical illustrations. What was the first gaming console ever made? The first gaming console, Magnavox Odyssey. Released in 1972, the Magnavox Odyssey was the first home video game console. What year did Apple release the first iPhone? A year to remember, 2007. The first iPhone was introduced by Steve Jobs in 2007, revolutionizing mobile technology. What is the world's most expensive substance by weight? The mysterious element antimatter. Antimatter costs about $62.5 trillion per gram, making it the most expensive substance. What is the oldest known piece of music ever discovered? The oldest known song, the Song of Psychelos. This Greek song, carved into stone around 200 BCE, is the oldest surviving complete musical composition. What do some people believe is hidden beneath the Denver International Airport? A hidden place, a secret underground bunker. Conspiracy theorists claim the airport houses a secret underground base linked to the Illuminati. What is the belief that celebrities and politicians are actually shape-shifting reptiles? A wild theory, the lizard people theory. This theory, popularized by David Icke, claims that reptilian aliens control the world. What mysterious force prevents galaxies from flying apart? A crucial part of physics, dark matter. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe and is responsible for holding galaxies together. What is the name of the region where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape? A point of no return, event horizon. The event horizon is the boundary of a black hole, beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. How much of the human brain is actually used? Almost perfect. Nearly 100%. The idea that humans use only 10% of their brain is a myth. Almost all regions are active. What is the rarest eye color in the world? A color or a mystery. Gray. Gray eyes are extremely rare and result from a lack of melanin combined with light scattering effects. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? A nocturnal flyer bat. Unlike gliding animals, bats can sustain powered flight using their winged limbs. What deep-sea creature is sometimes called a living fossil and has remained unchanged for over 500 million years? A bizarre sea creature, horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs have existed for hundreds of millions of years, with little evolutionary change. What ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? An empire of wonders, Inca. The Incas built Machu Picchu in the 15th century, and it remains a marvel of engineering. Which ancient civilization is believed to have invented the first written language? One of the oldest civilizations, Sumerians. The Sumerians developed cuneiform writing over 5,000 years ago in Mesopotamia. What is the highest-rated TV series of all time on IMDb? A stunning documentary, Planet Earth 2. As of now, Planet Earth 2 holds the highest IMDb rating, thanks to its breathtaking cinematography. What animated movie was the first to be nominated for Best Picture at the Academy Awards? A Timeless Tale, Beauty and the Beast. In 1992, it became the first animated film to receive a Best Picture nomination.
Thank you for participating. Subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the next quiz videos. Also share this video with your friends so they can join the fun and test their knowledge too. Goodbye.